Hi, I want to show you how to clear YouTube cache on iPhone. For that, we need to start by going in Settings and then finding General tab. Now select iPhone Storage and you will see information about your phone's internal storage. So here, I want you to select Size to be able to see apps listed by the biggest size. So now find YouTube in the list. And to clear YouTube cache, you need to just tap option Offload app. As you can see, this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So just tap on the option, then confirm by tapping Offload app, and after that you should see option to reinstall it and this little cloud icon near the name of the app. But don't worry, you'll still be able to see it on your home screen with the cloud icon, and by tapping it you can reinstall it back on your device. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.